Hello everyone, my name is Lu Jinrui. I'm a sales manager from Big Herdsman. Today I will introduce to you the automatic bird harvest cage. It adopts a hot-dip galvanized cage body and PP elastic slats. The breeding density can reach 100 birds. The total height of 4 tiers is only 3.52 meters, saving space. Equipped with built-in LED energy-saving cold light sources with adjustable illumination. It has a fast bird harvest speed, over 6,000 birds per hour. The net cover prevents birds from escaping, and the seamless design is safer. That concludes today's introduction to the automatic bird harvest cage.